Okay, let's be honest. Trading is complicated kung tayo ay magsisimula with zero knowledge. Kasi you know what? We go into YouTube, we go into Facebook, we go into Google. Ang daming knowledge, okay? Actually, mas mahirap mag-trading ngayon kumpara noon. Kasi when we first started in trading, bilang lang yung mga so-called videos or free knowledge sa mga online. However, there's so much knowledge today, we don't know where to start. Ang nangyayari, it becomes way too overcomplicated, okay? Kasi kanya-kanyang branding, meaning there's a simple concept, ang gagawin ng mga other mentors, lalagyan nila sarili nilang pangalan. So ang nangyayari, the strategy, the concept becomes way too overthinking to the point na hindi ka na makapag-trade dahil sobrang complicated na niya. So what I'm trying to say is, ito sa iPro, we like to keep it simple, straightforward. We want to keep you thinking less, okay? Because overthinking, it is not good in trading. When you overthink your trades, you are not gonna make great financial decisions at pag-trade. Kaya dito, we like to simplify strategies. We like to keep it straightforward para ma-apply nyo kagad. Kaya nga nakukompress namin yung mga so-called trading bootcamps into 3 days. Okay? And the best thing about it, we do it together. We go live as one community. We trade the market and we go in it together. Kaya if you're looking for a mentorship na talagang hands-on, na talagang tuturuan kayo sa actual market, join kayo sa iPro. Alright?